Today we're going to set up a LIFX smart bulb. The first thing you need to do is open or install the LIFX app. Once you're in the app, select the plus sign at the bottom right of the screen to get started. Then select New Device. There are two ways to set up your bulb. You can use Apple HomeKit or connect through Wi-Fi. We're going to skip HomeKit and set up our LIFX bulb with Wi-Fi. So just tap the underlined text that says, "My light doesn't support HomeKit." On the next screen, hit Get Started. Make sure you allow the app to access your home Wi-Fi network, because now we need to leave the LIFX app and go to Wi-Fi under Settings on your phone. Look for a network in the list that starts out with LIFX. That's your smart bulb. Choose the light as the network and wait for it to join your home Wi-Fi. When the connection is complete, exit Settings and go back to the LIFX app. Once you're back in the LIFX app, all you need to do is hit the middle icon on the upper right of the screen. You'll get an Almost Done message and see the name of the light you just connected. Select that light, and a new screen will pop up to let you continue the setup. Select Complete Setup, and it will ask you the location of the new device. This will usually be home, but I've set up devices in multiple locations, so we're going to add a new location. When you're finished adding the location, hit the green arrow at the bottom of the screen. Now it will ask if you want to join any groups. We're skipping that step for now. Finally, it will ask you to name your LIFX smart bulb. It's tempting to give it a clever name, but keep in mind that you'll have to remember the name if you decide to add voice control later with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. After entering the name, you're done. You'll see a screen that gives you options to add another device or add voice control. Because your light is set up, we're going to stop here. But if you're ready to keep going, subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step demos, and go to Safewise.com to find more smart home resources.